It's been nearly 3 years ago since residents of Wiff Hall have moved out for a major overhaul and repair work on the building. The hall since has undergone a modern makeover, facilities for the students to enjoy. In an on-site interview, the contractor hired to put the finishing touches on the project informs us on the progress and amount of work it's taken for the building to be ready.
According to the contractor, Wiff Hall requires many upgrades to bring it to standard.
Well, when you at a old structure, you always have challenges. It also is in the prep work, preparing for older structure, going back, modifying the building, painting, floor removal, all kinds of little, things that you have to go through when you're dealing with an older structure.
Students will now enjoy a better suite style living in Wiff Hall.
I think they got it set up for like two to a room.
Students will be surprised with the makeover to Wiff Hall when they move in.
No, everything has been all right from the school point of view of it. Everything is going on pretty good right now. Right now, we are working on the columns on the front of the building. Also working on 3 floors here, 4 floors here, the third, the second, the first, and the basement area. Right now, we're just going back to each dorm room, making sure everything is in compliance, the electrical, the plumbing, HVAC. We're going back in and doing some cosmetic work for painting each room, hallways, and the common areas.
The contractor indicates that he is wrapping up the renovation work on Wiff Hall.
Well, we're pushing right now that when school started, this building it'll be open for the students to come back in, hopefully about another month.
This is Joshua Hearn reporting for RCTV2 News.